Hi, I'm Ria, and I am one exhausted product manager. It's midnight, and here I am working on a product requirement document when I'd much rather be talking to users or sleeping. So we're building Proddy to help those in charge of product delivery regain some of their time and sanity. Proddy does this by automating the downstream assets that are essentially just derivatives of a well-written PRD. Let's start with a Jira backlog for user stories. Nobody likes creating these Jira tickets, so let Proddy do it for you. Here I have a pretty well-written PRD, if I may say so myself, and I'll show you real quick that I'm mostly done writing my user stories or my requirements. This is the Do Not Disturb feature for Microsoft Teams. Its goal is to suppress notifications when a user is focusing or presenting, with the exception of notifications from a set of priority contacts. Now, instead of painstakingly creating each ticket individually, I'm going to let my friendly neighborhood AI assistant do it for me. I've already shared this document with Proddy like I would have with a coworker, so I'm just going to tag it and tell it to create my backlog. Now, I have quite a few projects in my company's Jira, so Proddy comes back and asks me, where exactly do I want to create this new project or epic? And I'm going to specify the destination. Now, as you can see, Proddy has gone back to me with a link to what looks like the epic right here, as you can see, and all the user stories linked to the epic. So let's go check out one of these user stories. So we see here in the description, it has taken the content from the PRD, display a reminder to user that the notifications are being suppressed, and it has also derived a header to make scanning the backlog or scanning the user stories much easier. Now, say I added a new requirement after having told Proddy to create the backlog. All I need to do is highlight that content of the new requirement, call Proddy, and tell it to make this into a ticket. And Proddy gets back to me with a link to what looks like the ticket that I just wanted to create it. And as you can see, it's linked to the same epic or the same project, the Do Not Disturb feature. We're already working on the ability to empower Proddy to help people write better PRDs, which will then make automating a variety of different documents and assets beyond just a Jira backlog much, much easier. Thanks for your time, and hope Proddy restores the joy in product development for both you and your team.